Hello children, now today I am going to teaching you how to cut shapes, right? Now here the scissor, now I taught you how to hold the scissor. Now here these are some shapes here one shape, here another one, here and here another one, and here another one. Okay, now we are using scissor and cutting the shapes. Okay, now see, before cutting you keep your dustbin close to you and you can put all the leftover papers into the dustbin without putting it on the floor, right? Okay, now we start from here, slowly cutting, here, slowly, here, slowly cutting, and this you learn how to cut and you can improve your hand, finger muscles and patience from this lesson. To have good patience while cutting this. Slowly only you are doing it, so you have patience to use the scissors slowly. Sometimes it might get wrong, but don't worry, you all are small. Always think that I am a big person, I can do very fast and properly, but children, you can't do it so perfectly because your muscles, finger muscles are not, still it's growing, and the bones also not very hard. So you slowly, these things we are doing for to improve your hand control. After you doing this work, we are going to use the pencils, paintbrush, chalk, like that. We are slowly improving our writing style, right? Here, now, earlier we tore papers and now we are cutting papers. So, for all the work, we are improving our hand control. Now we cut this shape and we are going to, I am putting into the dustbin, right? Okay, here the dustbin, I am putting into that. Now here another shape. The shapes we can collect it and we can paste papers on it and make a nice picture. Now here a circle, we are cutting this, slowly cutting. You can keep it on the table and doing. Here, slowly cutting the shape using the scissors, right? Okay, cutting is very interesting. Here the paper put into the dust, right? Now here I cut two shapes now. Later we can use this to do, we throw papers into bits that we can paste on these colored ones and make it a nice picture. Or we can make some nice figure like thing. We'll do it later. Don't throw those shapes. Collect all that. Okay. Now here another shape. Here I am cutting it. Here. These all what we are doing to improve your hand control. To improve your hand control, it's good to use the cutting lesson. Right? Here. Here. another shape, right? This can put into the dustbin, right? Now here, one shape is here, and another shape here, and another shape here. Right, now I am collecting those shapes. Here, another shape. It's an oval. Those shapes we can learn later. Okay, slowly cutting. I am doing it fast because I want to do it soon. But children, you have enough time. You can do these lessons slowly. Get the help from your elders and do the lesson. Okay. Now we learn to tear papers into bits, tear papers into strips, and made a duster, and then we use scissors to cut paper bits. We use scissors to cut paper strips, and here we are cutting shapes, right? This also, without throwing these shapes, you keep it, that we can make a shape or nice picture, so or some collage work we can do on it, right? Okay, that's all children. Now here my idea is for you to improve your hand control. I am teaching this all the lessons. Okay, now by now I think you must have improved at least a little improvement you have in your finger control, right? Then we can go to a next lesson next time using paint. Next time we'll use paint brush and chalk. Like that we'll slowly step by step we'll go, right? Now thank you for listening children. Hope you enjoy cutting papers. Thank you very much.